that is not going right. Uh-oh. No way! Watch this, Marcus. I'm on fire today. Okay, superstar, show me your best move. Too easy. Don't get too proud yet. Nothing gets past me. We'll see about that. Saved it. Okay, that was actually good. Final round. Winner takes all. Deal! And I'm still winning. This one ends the game. Then make it count. I'm ready. Good, here it comes. Wait, that is not going right. Uh-oh. No way! That is really bad. That is very, very bad. Maybe it looks smaller from far away. It doesn't. What happened here? Mom, I should go. Marcus, wait. Tom?
Just give me a second.
I can't let him leave like that. Not this time.
Last goal wins. Then get ready to lose.
You can't take it from me.
Try me! I'm a wall today. Walls can crack too.
This is the best game all week.
Because I'm making you work for it.
I can't believe I did that.
Your mom's gonna be really mad.
I asked a simple question.
I know.
I'm sorry.
Marcus, don't do this alone.
Marcus, stop for 1 second.
I can't!
Your mom looked really upset.
Yeah, and running won't fix it.
Okay, stop. I didn't know what to do.
I wasn't trying to leave you. I was just scared.
I kicked too hard. It was my shot. If we go back, we'll get in trouble.
If we don't, it gets worse.
Do you think she'll yell?
Maybe, but we still have to tell the truth.
Let's just stay calm.
I'm trying.
Oh no! My things! Not again!
No, not this time.
I'm really sorry, Miss Jenny. We'll pick everything up.
You boys stayed? Yeah, because we knocked it down.
Thank you for helping.
We're trying to do better.
That went better than I expected. A lot better. Maybe telling the truth really helps. Yeah, even when it feels scary first.
This is it.
Yeah, this is it.
It still looks bad. Because it is bad.
We can do this. Okay. Okay, together.
So you came back?
Yes, ma'am. We want to tell you the truth. And say sorry. I kicked the ball too hard. I broke the glass.
I ran away because I got scared. I should not have done that.
I am upset about the window. But I'm glad you came back and told the truth.
Mistakes happen. What matters is owning them and helping fix them.
We understand. We'll help fix it.
We're gonna finish every apology today.
That sounds fair. I've never had this many apologies in one day. Same, and I hope it's my last.
Well, look who's here.
We brought something for you. We wanted to say sorry properly. That is very kind. You boys are growing up.
Today felt like a lot of growing.
The glass is still cracked.
Yeah, but now we know what to do about it.
Are we still allowed to play?
Yes, just smarter. New rule, no hard shots near the house. Best rule we ever made. And if we mess up again, we tell the truth fast.
Play carefully. We will.
Gentle pass. Safe pass. This is still fun.
Yeah, maybe even better. I really thought hiding would help.
Me too.
I'm glad you ran after me. I'm glad you stopped.
Sometimes growing up sounds like an apology said out loud.
We'll fix the window tomorrow. I'll help pay for it if I can.
Helping is a good start. Then I'll start there.
Today was a lot. Yeah, but in a good way at the end. One more careful round?
Only if you promise no superhero shots.
See, I can be careful too. That might be your strongest move. Yes! Saved it again.
Yeah, but the window survived too.
The crack stayed for a while, but the fear did not.
I can live with that. Play carefully. And take responsibility. That looks better already. Way better.
Have fun, boys.
We will, Mom.
I feel better now. Me too.
Ready?
Always, just more carefully now.
The game returned, but the boys were not quite the same. That's probably a good thing. We can still have fun and do the right thing. Yeah, that's the best kind of win.